Hello, all my beautiful nail baddies. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today's video, we are going to do a water drop nail tutorial that I seen by SoCal GelX on Instagram. So let's get right into it. I have already applied a base coat, and off camera I mixed up some blue gel polish with some top coat to make a jelly color. We will start off by just applying your desired amount of coats. I think for this look I did 3 coats, and you will just want to cure in between. This is a super easy nail design and it looks absolutely stunning at the end. My son Riker is 9. He's here next to me and he wanted to say hello to everyone on YouTube.
Hi.
He actually really enjoys doing nails with me, which is fun. He did a Homer Simpson nail. I'll have to do a pop-up of the nail he did at the end of the video to show you guys, because for 9 years old, he's got some talent.
I even made the donut with the little sprinkles.
Yes, he did. So again, I'm just applying the desired amount of coats of the jelly polish, and again, curing in between. So as I sit here and do this voiceover, I realize that I haven't really introduced myself to you guys. My name is Blair. I am a mother of 3 boys who I absolutely love. My oldest will actually be 20 this year. I can't believe it. And I'm only 35. So I was a teen mom back before, teen moms was, I don't know, made cool or whatever they did on MTV, I guess. But yeah, teen mom, 3 boys. So right here we are just going ahead and applying a top coat to it, and then we will cure that. So as I said, I am a boy mom. My oldest will be 20 this year. I have a 15-year-old and a 9-year-old. I got married about 5 years ago now, and my husband has 3 kids as well. He has 2 girls and a boy. So together we have 6 kids. We're like the Brady Bunch. But he works. I get to be stay-at-home mom, which I absolutely love because it gives me the opportunity to do what I really love, and that's nails. I also do, I custom design stuff, so I do like shirts, cups, I can do sublimation, I have a Cricut machine, so all sorts of stuff. I make some really cool things, some keychains, I can make phone cases, I mean, you name it, I can make it. I even have, my glasses have magnetic toppers on them, and I make toppers that I can interchange on my glasses. So if you guys want to see a video on something like that, comment down below and let me know, because I got you. So now we're going to go ahead and take our nail and flip it on our nail stand so we can see the underside. And make sure that your underside is all free and clean of any tacket or debris if you are doing it like this, which I'm assuming you would be. You're going to take your top coat, and I have like a little mixer tool that I'm taking, and you just make some like little circle droplet looking things. You kind of want to elongate some of them to make it look a little more natural. Try not to just do perfect little circle drops. And I was flash curing in between this to make sure that you're not going to have any of your top coat running into each other. And I just pop it in for about 10 seconds, just a quick little flash cure. And then you will just go ahead and keep bringing those water drops down the nail, and remembering to flash cure every couple seconds in between, so again you don't get any of the water drops running into each other. And you do want to kind of stay clear of where your nail bed will be. That way you won't be able to see the water drops once you apply it to your nail anyways. Whatever adhesive you're using would just cover that up, so I did stay clear of the nail bed area. I want to give a big thank you to everyone who has liked, commented, or subscribed to me as well. I really, really appreciate you all. And I'm glad that you are here and you are a part of this journey. I hope to grow steadily over time, and I'm just glad that you guys are all here and a part of it. I really do appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart. I really just love creating and sharing stuff with everyone, so I'm thankful that I have a platform like YouTube where I have the ability to do that and reach so many at the same time. I do live in Washington State, so that is another fact about me. Good old Pacific Northwest. I love the weather here. I love that we get all the different seasons. I love that we are finally coming into our warmer weather. It just makes everybody so happy, you know, and I love all the colors and stuff that start to become trendy again when it's summertime. I love the neon bright colors. I just love the warm weather too. I really don't like cold weather. And that is it for this nail design. Super easy, super simple, looks absolutely amazing. I just love the way this looks. And it could be done with any color, you know, you don't have to use blue because really it just looks like it's wet when you're done. I hope you all have enjoyed this quick little tutorial and get to know me. I have quite a few other videos I'm going to be uploading over the next week. I have a huge TEMU haul with a Korean gel polish dupe coming up that you don't want to miss. So again, thank you all so much for being here. I love you all so much, and thank you for your support.